What's up, guys? This is Jeremiah back at another video, and today we're about to do an oil change on my YZL 600R. I did my first oil change around about like 18 or 19,000 miles, and today, as of right now, you can see we're at 22,000. I'm a little bit behind, I'm not even gonna lie. Didn't really have the funds at the moment. And so today we're about to go get spark plugs, some oil filter, and I don't really know how my air filter look, but we'll check that out in like another video or so, because it's a K&N air filter and it should be holding up pretty nice, you know. But we'll clean it just in case, or take a look at it, you know, see how bad it is. So let's go ahead and head to the store, take you guys with me. We get some spark plugs and stuff. That advanced oils part, so we're about to go in there and see if they got some oil and some spark plugs. I'm gonna see if they got spark plugs first, and if they do, I'll go ahead and buy them. If not, I'll go right across to, I think that's AutoZone. But their oil, I'm not gonna buy their oil here. I just need to check and see how many quarts I need, because I really kind of forgot, and so I gotta go in there and look and see. An oil filter I could just get from Walmart, and I get some oil from Walmart as well. So let's go ahead and go up in there. Alright, we just got back and we got the spark plugs. Now we gotta go over to Walmart and get the oil, because apparently in there, like, they wasn't able to tell me the capacity or what type of oil I need for my bike. So I'm gonna go to Walmart and just go back there and get some of theirs, see if they can check for me, you know, because I don't know why they wasn't able to pull up anything. But yeah, let's just go ahead and go to Walmart. Alright guys, we have finally made it to Walmart. Now we about to go check and see kind of oil I need. Try to go in the automotive department and find out. Let's go. Sir. Cannot remember, was it? I cannot remember which one it was. I believe it was 10W40, so I might grab this one, but need to figure out how many I need, so I might go ahead and Google that real quick, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I finally figured out, and I kind of remembered, looked it up, and then I just remembered that I needed 3 of these. Okay, so we about to grab 3, and then we about to get the oil filter. So now we got the oil filter. We're about to go pay for this stuff. $30 for some oil and oil filter. That's not too bad. Alright guys, we are back at the house and we're about to go ahead and do this oil change and oil filter change. This should take probably about like 15 minutes at most. Probably not even that long. But I'm gonna do like a, not really of a step by step, but I'm gonna like show you where everything is located at, because there's not really that much info out there on YouTube about like where is the drain location. I know it's pretty simple for majority of the people, but some people, you know, they might not know where it's at and might need some guidance or some help on locating it. But I can show you real quick. Like the oil filter, one, you would have to remove this fairing right here. Mine, basically, like one time I was riding and I was passing a truck that was going like really slow, and one of them decides to give crack and almost flipped off because of it. Because I don't know, I guess the wind was just like taking the other side, and so this side was just like hanging down on here. And so I just decided to cut it off right there, you know, make it even. But once you remove this, you should be able to locate the drain bolt, the oil drain bolt, which is right there, just a little bit by the exhaust. And then the oil filter should be like right there in between the exhaust. So right there. So everything is like fairly simple. You just gotta take some pieces off, but in my case I don't have to take them off, but it's just simple. You just have these bolts right here, and you got one right here. You got to screw like two underneath where the two fairings connect, and then take this off and you should just see the stuff. So let's go ahead and get the tools and then get the oil pan. So I'll be right back. Alright, now since we done drained the oil and also changed the oil filter, now we're about to add 3 quarts of 10W40. No, Valvoline, that's what I put in. It really doesn't matter. As long as it's motorcycle oil, 4-stroke 10W40. And yeah, after we do that, start it up. Just let the oil circulate a little bit. You know, so yeah, let's go ahead and do that. we got the oil in. Just put 3 quarts. Change the oil filter. So now we're just about to start it up. Sorry for the AC, by the way. I don't know when it comes on and goes off. So yeah, we're just gonna start it up, check for leaks, make sure we don't have any leaks, and yeah. First, oh, there is no way to do that. I guess we just gotta start it up. We're gonna bump it a little bit, or at least try. So we don't have any leaks or nothing like that. Besides, well, that's not really a leak. I spilled some oil, so don't mind that. So yep, that's it, guys. Peace out. Catch